Well guys, what's up? I hope you can hear me. Testing my new mic. Now I have two. So this time you're gonna hear the other side who I'm going to talk to also. But I'm at the shop again. It's Friday. And guess why I'm here? Why am I here? It's my day off. I can chill at home. Just one moment. Hi boy. Oh, hello. Who is this cuteness? Yeah, who is this cuteness? Frankie. I'm not gonna give you mic this time because you almost ate it last time, you little asshole. Yeah. That's my favorite part, coming here. He's the best. He's the best one here. Anyway, I got to the shop today to set up my tiny little corner for welding because I need to weld some stuff for Nick for his project, and the space is pretty limited because, you know, the shop, it looks big but it's not really big, and I'm trying to set up everything I need for basically for his build, because I need to do intercoolers, I need to do charge pipings, I need to do exhaust and downpipe and all that stuff. So I'm gonna show you today on my example how I set up pretty limited space for this kind of job, and maybe it will be helpful for you guys. Maybe you want to set up your garage, maybe you want to set up, I don't know, some kind of space for either custom work, you want to do side hustle, or you want to do some custom work for your own project. And I'm gonna show you how I do it and what I'm gonna buy, so what I need to actually build something really cool. And I hope it's gonna be helpful, really. That's why I'm here. That's the only reason why I'm filming right now. So let's go. Okay, let's go find Nick. What's up you doing?
Nothing yet. Nothing.
Why?
I don't feel like it.
I got you. I'm in the same way all the time. Where's the OG? Sup? This guy, look at this. Crab on fire. Look at this crab on fire.
What's up, people of the internet? Just doing some cool stuff here. I'm cutting out a vent for my rear radiator setup for this car, and so this is where the fresh air will get pulled in by massive fans that we have. Cooling off our 2JZ. The only thing I gotta do here is knock down some sharp edges and then possibly just leave it like this. Usually people end up painting this little border around it, but I don't know. I like this.
I really hope you hear him because my mic is here and he is talking there. Anyway, I'm gonna check out what I have, because you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know that I moved out from another store where I used to work, and I left some stuff there, and now I need to just put everything together, everything I have, and buy again what's missing, because I don't really want to go back, and I don't like this stuff, you know. I mean, I can, but I don't want. So this is my toolbox right there, and let me show you the space that I have. It's not the best location at the shop, but you know, better than nothing, because I really miss doing something cool. And it's like a second floor. By the way, if you're looking for very good quality, affordable rims, contact Nick. He has all the good stuff. Also, he can make something custom for you and for your car. Everything you need. Contact Nick. It's gonna be, all the information is gonna be under this video in description. So this is the little spot. Let me turn the camera. here we go. So I already got tables. This is I think Weber, whatever it's that brand. Do I have any stickers on them? Anyway, if you guys are interested, I will leave links to these tables in the description to this video, because they are super affordable. It's like $180 per table, and I have 3 of them, like L shape kind of thing. I think I want to buy more, but we need to move out some stuff from here because it's all the parts, all the shit is here. Look at this fucking wall, it's insane. Anyway, so this is my tiny little space. I also have those like projectors, like lamps for filming, because I was going to, and I'm still going to do some content here. This is my machine, of course. It's an Everlast 230 Typhoon. See right here, right here. This is it. Yes, Typhoon 230, which should be enough for whatever I'm gonna do here. Cooler for the torch. I'm waiting for the torch because I have one. It's only gas cooled. It's a regular one. So I like this thing actually. They put it with every machine so we can just cover it so it doesn't suck in any dust when it's just like standing and doesn't do the job, you know, so it's not collecting dust inside. I got this organizer on Amazon. Yeah, I think Amazon, and it was like $70-ish. It has all the little hooks. It's all plastic. This little things, I mean, it's pretty handy. I like it, so I can put all my stuff here. Right now I'm gonna go downstairs and I need to check what I have in my toolbox, because I still need to get a little bit different vise. I need to get some plastic clamps. I need to get some metal fixtures, all other stuff. Anyway, I'm going to shopping today at Home Depot, my favorite store, because I need to get some like maybe drill, maybe like a grinder and stuff like that, because I need some things that I need to buy, and I'm gonna put everything together and show you what exactly you need to have in your garage to be able to build good quality products, or just if you want to make good quality stuff for your own car. It doesn't really matter, you know. You need to be able to make something good with limited resources, because I'm not gonna spend a lot of money. I don't like spending money, you know. Even though I have a business license and everything that I do is under my business name, and yes, it's a tax write-off because I'm buying everything that I'm going to use for my business, of course. Even though it's voluntarily, I'm not gonna charge anything from Nick, but still, it's part of my business because I need it for different reasons. But at the same time, I hate spending monies, you know. Anyway, I'm gonna show you everything in this video, so keep watching, okay? Well, and why you don't want to work? Yeah, $783. Okay, it's gonna be a little noisy because guys are working. So what I got for almost 800 bucks, I did not expect it's gonna be that expensive, but I got some deals actually. So the main and the most expensive stuff is of course wireless Milwaukee stuff. This is a die grinder, straight one. I will show you how I use it on the actual project because it's really hard to describe why I need it, but I actually need this thing. And I got some deal on this set. So I just needed a small impact, but they had a deal with the drill for cheaper than just an impact, and plus 2 batteries, charger, and a bag, which I don't need, but charger and batteries. I mean, 200 bucks for the whole thing. I think it's pretty good. Also, oh shit. Buy 2, get 1 free. Home Depot. I had to because, you know, batteries is always the problem. And in the kit with the drill, they have smaller batteries, and I got number 5. I like the bigger ones. I got a long ruler, 18-inch. I like this one. You can wipe it off with acetone, and it's not going to lose all the how to say it, the scale, right? And it's also inches and it's metric, because sometimes I need that too. And if you guys didn't know, my original system is metric, not standard, but I kind of used to it, so it's all good. Drill bits for the impact. I got some double tape. I need to make a shelf here, so I got this too, guys. I'm too lazy to build anything right now. I just rather pay like what, 15 bucks for 2 of these. These guys, of course, super useful for welder. Knife, because I lost mine, I don't know where it is. Yeah, I need to drill holes in the tanks of intercooler for inlet and outlet. Got that. I got tiny extension cord for the lamp. I'm gonna put it on the ceiling because I don't have enough light here. It's pretty dark, and I don't want to use my video lights that I use right now for working, because I need light that comes from the top, and I need it brighter than what I have for filming stuff. Got some zip ties. Oh, I'm gonna show you something right now. So I got some of these. It's like metal clips. Anyway, they have the rubber ends on them, but you can take them off because, you know, you can burn them easily if you clamp something too close. But I really like it because it works super easy to hold something together that I need to tack. So I use it as like a third hand, and it's like what, 99 cents and what, 60 cents? Hella helpful, hella helpful. Of course I got tons of them, so because I can lose it or somebody can take it and don't bring it back. It's classic at any shop, which is annoying, but it is what it is. Also, they didn't have few things that I needed to buy, so I have to shop online, so it's not everything, but I'm gonna show you what I got. I got a angle finder, super useful thing. I like it because I had one in another shop, which was mine, but when I was packing my stuff, I forgot to pack so many things, and now I just realized that I left a lot behind, including my cutting jig from Taikan Industries, which is like what, 300 bucks or something like that. It's aluminum CNC cutting jig for elbows, and I have to pay for it again. Well, sucks to suck, I guess. Wire cutters, some zip ties, And I also got some things, measure tape. It's super small, I like it, and you can put it on the key, like as a keychain, but I'm gonna keep it here. It's only 6 feet long, but it's enough for me, and it's also standard and metric, which I really like. I'm gonna put it on my organizer wall, and I forgot a few other things to buy. I need to make a list. That's my problem. I'm trying to keep everything right here, and I don't have enough memory to keep all the things. Yeah, and I got some little things that I'm missing from my toolbox, like a small extension. I have this 3mm hex socket. I need this thing. So yeah, just little things, nothing crazy. Yeah, and basically that's it. My recommendations also, this is just my first video about what you need, because I am not done shopping yet. I need to buy perch plugs. I need to bring more cups for my torch. I need to bring my water-cooled torch. Yeah, but what I want to show you guys, highly recommend. It's so cheap. You can buy it at Home Depot too. I just have it for a while. Brand is Nicholson, I think. So this is the file that I use to file edges after I cut, deburr, and all that stuff. I like to file them before I weld them together to remove anything that's left. And it's a single cut. Don't buy that cross-cut stuff. And it's pretty fine file, so it's small. I'm not sure what size is it. I think it's at 7-inch. Not sure if you can see it. Anyway, it's 7-inch, pretty small. I like it. Yeah. And once I get everything that I need, I'm gonna show you my whole setup here. So I think I'm gonna buy another table. So I wanna have, like, now I have 3, I wanna have 4, because I need a little bit longer space to work. And these tables are not that expensive. So yeah, this is my setup. And I think once I'm actually fully done with setting up my shop, my little corner, I will show you everything that I have and give you my recommendations. So yeah, I think this is the end of the video, and we're gonna meet in the next one. We are working on ordering stuff for Nick's build. We need some materials to order, and once we have everything, I can start working on it. So I hope maybe next weekend I can show you my setup at the shop, and maybe we will receive some of the materials that we need, including the intercooler core, so I can actually put it on the car and start building stuff. And yeah, I can maybe show you something interesting, and you can teach. Oh, you can teach. I can teach you, and you can learn some good stuff from me, how I build things in a pretty limited space and limited equipment-wise shop. Well, see you in the next video.